पवित्र स्थान पर जहां फूल मालाएं लोग चढ़ाने जाते हैं, श्रद्धा से माथा टेकते हैं, वहां नाच करने नहीं दी। ये नचैयों की पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टी कब से हो रही है?
कौन सी ऐसी खुशी थी जिसमें बिल्कुल मग्न होकर वो राजघाट पर इस तरह का आचरण कर रही थी?
मैं कांग्रेस के नेताओं को बताना चाहूंगी कि इंटरनेट भरा पड़ा है उनकी नेताओं की डांस क्लिपिंग से। एक बार खोलकर देख लें कि किस किस तारीख को किस किस समय पर श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी ने, श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी ने, श्रीमती शीला दीक्षित ने डांस किया है कि हम देशभक्त लोग हैं और अपनी जिंदगी की आखिरी सांस तक हम देशभक्ति के गीत गाएंगे भी और उन पर झूमेंगे भी।
Those images really the center of this debate, where we are asking, is the debate over Sushma Swaraj dancing at Rajghat sexist? You can send us your feedback at Twitter @SunetraC. Well, we'll have lots of guests on this, lots of political reaction. We'll also have Tushar Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi's great-grandson, to give his opinion on the entire controversy. Political commentator Shravan Dasgupta. From the BJP, we'll have Nirmala Sitharaman and Manish Tiwari from the Congress also joining us. I want to go across to Tushar Gandhi first. As, you know, watching this entire thing, first, those images of Sushma Swaraj dancing, which were really publicized all through the day yesterday. And then after that, the kind of, you know, spat we've seen between the Congress and the BJP. What do you make of that?
I think politics is plumbing to newer depths every day. It's tragic that public life is now becoming even steamier than showbiz. But I think, you know, the politics and public life in India has lost its dignity and the veneer of respectability that it used to have, although very thin and quite moth-eaten. But I think now that is also gone.
So are you saying you object to her dancing at Rajghat? Or are you objecting to the controversy?
No, I am objecting to both. I am objecting to the dance at Rajghat because there are many other places where patriotism can be worn on your sleeve. Rajghat is not one of those. It's a somber reminder of a sad episode in our history, and I think at least that much respect should have been shown. You know, nobody questions her patriotism, but it doesn't mean that you display it at any place. And then the kind of you know, brickbats that have been happening and the kind of comments that have been made throughout the time, I think were not also in very good taste.
Sure.
Politics can be practiced with dignity and respect, and I think that is not there anymore.
Sure. Shravan Dasgupta, I want to go across to you. Usually we've seen you, you know, quite supportive of the BJP at times, but on this issue, you were quite critical of Sushma Swaraj.
Well, you see, I think we have to separate. I don't think their right to dance is really the issue.
Sure.
You know, if India beats Pakistan in a cricket match, or you celebrate some other victory, or you celebrate a marriage of an individual, I think dancing is perfectly in order. It's a matter of inclination, it's a matter of the particular mood. Now, unfortunately, this was a serious issue. This was a serious protest on two occasions, on two counts. One was that the lack of the assault on democratic rights, and secondly, the assault on certain individual citizens who had gone there to peacefully protest. So it was a very somber affair.
Sure.
Now, under the circumstances, I think what this particular thing did was to introduce a note of flippancy into the whole proceedings, which ultimately does no credit. And, you know, the venue is important, unfortunately.
Nirmala Sitharaman, would you like to
any other place, any other occasion, it would have been okay. So it's not a question of whether I'm questioning the right of people to dance or the right of politicians to enjoy themselves, but whether that touch of flippancy was certainly necessary at this juncture. To my mind, I think it was a misjudgment, and I think the people who organized that sort of a, you know, the mood in that certainly did the occasion no credit.
NDTV's Cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.